It is time to do a few more reaction videos. It's been a fair while since I did this. Honestly, time nowadays is, not on my daily schedule that I'm available for anything that I like to do, obviously, as you know, work and stuff. But hey, here we are today, and I can finally catch up on some tunes that I missed over the last few weeks, maybe even months, I don't know. At least we are starting with a band that is freaking important to me in terms of metalcore. I know back in the days when metalcore was like the thing to go to, everybody went to, obviously, Heaven Shall Burn, As I Lay Dying, and all those big bands. And for some reason I came upon this German band called Callejon, meaning it's a Spanish word for dead end basically. And they did metalcore that I appreciated a lot to this day, and I follow them ever since. And yeah, they released a new track called CBRTRK. I'm pretty stoked to see this because there were some changes in the band not too long ago, and this is screaming new record is on the way. So this is very, very nice to see. And yeah, without further ado, we don't waste time here. We do reactions, and we do some things that I enjoy. So let's go. We will check out Callejon and CBRTRK. So strap in for the madness. There's some thick riffing there. Okay, I was not expecting this level of intensity. Yeah. He is well known for these cleaner parts. I love him. Busty delivers each and every time. Oh yeah. That's chunky as hell. Yes. Oh. The energy. Very short and very chunky song. That was not even 3 minutes long, and it screams Callejon all over. Wow, a lot of intensity there, a lot of, again, high energy. I was not expecting to start with like such a fast-paced song, but hey, they know how to do it. So, and it reminds me a bit of Blitzkreuz era, maybe even Wir sind Angst. Personally, I like my favorite record of them is Videodrome. That is like the standout record from them to this day. Don't get me wrong, all the others are great, but this is screaming all of these specific parts that I enjoy from this band a lot. So I look really forward, like what they will come up next. A lot of hopefulness there. So let's see where this is going. I will obviously link the video in the link below, and then I will be back very soon for some more reaction videos. I highly suggest that you check out Callejon, and yeah, if you want to know what else this channel has to offer, maybe have a look, and we'll see each other very soon. Until then, have a great one.